We are making today the Cargo Hybrid Tartan Kilt. To begin, we need essential items for manufacturing like fabric, drill jeans and tartan for inner pleats, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, measuring tape, a ruler, leather straps, buttons, D-rings. First, we get the fabric and cut it according to the size given by the customer. Now, cut the tartan pieces to make inner pleats and sew them with the jeans fabric to give a specific shape. After all these steps, we attach leather straps on the waist to fasten the kilt. Belt loops are now sewn on the waist to make it easier to hold the belt. D-rings are also given to hold the keychains. Pockets with flaps stitched on the both sides of the kilt to have extra space for holding belongings or small items. Now, press the kilt for an awesome look.